When you search for budget car stereos, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to truly find the best bang for your buck, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Pioneer MVH S230BT. First up is the Pioneer MVH S230BT, priced at about $80. What caught my attention is its Bluetooth connectivity and versatile media playback. If you want a straightforward and reliable car stereo, this one is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in Bluetooth allows for easy hands-free calling, so you can stay focused on the road while taking calls. Plus, with a USB input, you can easily connect your smartphone or MP3 player, ensuring that your favorite tunes are just a click away. It supports multiple audio formats like MP3 and AAC, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. This model has received a solid rating of 4.3 stars from over 662 reviews, which indicates that many users appreciate its quality and performance. Now, some people complained about the lack of a CD player. Here's the thing though, if you're more into digital music, this is actually a non-issue. It's a great fit for anyone who streams music or uses USB drives. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly stereo that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a CD player or want advanced features like touchscreen controls. For $80, this stereo offers great value for your money. Now, if the lack of a CD player bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its built-in CD functionality. Product number 2. Kenwood KMM BT332U. Next is the Kenwood KMM BT332U, priced at $119. What really stood out to me is its built-in Amazon Alexa and powerful sound capabilities. If you want a feature-packed stereo that feels modern, this is worth checking out. This car stereo has a powerful 50 watts per channel amplifier, which means your music will sound loud and clear. The multicolor LCD display is easy to read, and the detachable face adds a layer of security when you leave your car. It connects to 2 phones simultaneously via Bluetooth, so you can switch between devices easily, and it even includes a 13-band equalizer to customize the sound to your liking. With a rating of 4.6 stars and over 600 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the sound quality and functionality. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't play CDs. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a modern stereo with streaming capabilities, that's not a deal breaker. If you have a digital library, you'll likely find it more convenient than digging through CDs. This is perfect for you if you love streaming music and want a high-quality sound experience. Skip this one if you're a die-hard CD fan or want the absolute cheapest option. For $119, you're getting solid features and quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a blend of classic and modern features. Product number 3. JVC KD SR87BT. Now we have the JVC KD SR87BT, priced at about $109.99. The combination of Bluetooth and a CD player really caught my eye. If you want a stereo that offers both modern and traditional features, this is definitely worth considering. The KD SR87BT gives you the best of both worlds. It plays CDs and has Bluetooth for streaming and hands-free calling. The 13-band EQ lets you fine-tune the sound to fit your taste, which is essential for those long drives. It also supports Spotify control, allowing you to control your playlist directly from your stereo. With a strong 4.5-star rating from over 514 reviews, users love this stereo for its ease of use and solid audio quality. Some users have noted that the interface can be a bit complex at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, you'll find it's pretty intuitive and offers a lot of customization. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a mix of CDs and modern music streaming. Skip this one if you only want a basic setup without the need for advanced features. For $109.99, you're getting a lot of audio flexibility. Now, if you want something even more budget-friendly, the next product on my list might just blow your mind. Product number 4. Rika Sound Car Radio. Next up is the Rika Sound Car Radio priced at just $22.59. What amazed me is how many features you get at this price. If you're looking for an ultra-budget option that still delivers, this one deserves your attention. For under $25, you get Bluetooth for hands-free calling, a robust FM radio tuner, and dual USB ports for fast charging. It also allows you to control it via an app, which is super handy while you're driving. The sound quality isn't half bad either, with a rating of 4.2 stars and over 2,400 reviews. Users appreciate its value for money and ease of installation. Now, some users mentioned that the sound quality isn't as good as pricier models. Here's the thing though, if you just need something functional for daily commutes, this will do the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want some modern features. Skip this one if audio quality is your top priority. For $22.59, it's hard to beat this value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more reliable without breaking the bank, this next option might be just right. Product number 5, Jensen MPR 210. Last but not least is the Jensen MPR 210, priced at $39.99. The clarity of its display and Bluetooth capabilities caught my eye. If you want a reliable stereo that won't cost a fortune, this should be on your radar. This stereo features a high-contrast LCD that makes it easy to read while driving. It pairs quickly with Bluetooth, allowing you to make hands-free calls and stream music effortlessly. The sound customization options let you tailor the audio to your liking. Plus, with an impressive 4.2-star rating from 70 to 700 reviews, it's clear that many have found it dependable. However, some users noted that the sound quality could use more depth. Here's the thing though, for everyday listening, it really holds its own and offers an excellent value. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly stereo that's easy to use. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for high-end sound. For $39.99, it's a solid choice that balances features and affordability. So there you have it, the Pioneer MVH-S230BT for ease of use, the Kenwood KMM BT332U for voice assistant features, the JVC KD SR87BT for the best mix of old and new, the Rika Sound Car Radio for budget-conscious buyers, and the Jensen MPR 210 for reliability. Each of these stereos brings something unique to the table, ensuring that you can find the right fit for your needs and budget.